Hey, you should subscribe to an English Nut. You should watch all the videos of an English Nut. Hi, how are you doing? In this lesson, we are going to learn the various uses of should. S-H-O-U-L-D, should. Yes, the pronunciation is should. The L is silent. Of course, I'm Rashmi from an English Nut. Let's jump right in. Should is a modal auxiliary verb. It's used to give advice or suggestion or opinion. For example, oh, you're having a temperature. You should go and see the doctor. It's a cloudy day today. I think it's going to rain. So you should carry an umbrella with you. Rita, it's my best friend's birthday today. I have to go to the birthday party. What should I wear? Should I wear a sari? No, you shouldn't wear a sari. I think you should wear a gown. You should keep your jewelry in a safe place. She suggested that we should visit Aunt Laura more often. We use should when we talk about duty or obligation. For example, you should wash your hands properly as soon as you come from outside. You should not break the traffic rules. You should not waste your food. You should respect your elders. You shouldn't be late at work. We use should when we talk about probability or expectation. Probability, it means something is likely to happen. For example, he should reach here any minute. The bus should be leaving. What? This dress is for 2000 rupees. I don't think it should cost more than 1000 rupees. Hey friends, let's go. The roads should be less crowded today. It means you're expecting that the roads will be less crowded today. Now note that the modal auxiliary verb should is always followed by the verb in the base form. We use should plus have plus verb in the past participle form to express regret. For example, I'm so sorry, I shouldn't have spoken to you so rudely. Oh, I didn't get the call for the job interview. I should have applied earlier. We use should in conditional clauses to show politeness. For example, should you need any help, please call the manager. If you should decide to go, please let us know. In formal English, we use should instead of would in conditional sentences. For example, I should hate to miss the concert. I should visit Prague if I had the money. I should be very hurt if they didn't allow me to go. So friends, these were the different areas where we use the modal auxiliary verb should. Keep practicing. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you soon. Have a nice day.